Hi, this is going to be an overview of the GSA Search Engine Ranker two-tier churn and burn project from Asia Virtual Solutions. When you receive your completed order from me, it will be a zip file. When you unzip it, it will be a folder like this. Basically, the only thing here needed is the restore me file. Everything else you can delete them. They're just there for your info and for transparency to show exactly what it is that I have done. You will be each of the two tiers will have its 50 emails pulled from here. These are the data files which are used with all the content in them. Tier, there's 100 of them, 0 until 99. Tier 1 will use 0 until 49, and Tier 2 will use 50 until 99. When we go into the project, you will see there's exactly 50 articles. Those are pulled from here, and actually these, if you open any of these, you will see this is what it looks like. This is the data files, and all the content for the projects is in here. Okay. If you provided me with an anchor text file when you uploaded your order or submitted your order, then I will use your anchor text file. If not, we will just use the keywords. The keywords I will scrape for you long-term keywords based on the 3 main keywords you provided me. I will go 2 levels deep on keyword scraping. So for this specific project, I've scraped quite a lot. So see, this is what it will look like. It's all related to this project of mine, and there will be a readme file, and basically there will be a link explaining how to restore the file. There's a summary file, which is basically a summary of your order, and you will have the order number and the project name up there, your 3 main keywords you provided, the URLs you provided, and there will be 2 PDFs that I've created. Now the most important one will be the restore me file, because that is what you will need to restore this project onto your GSA Search Engine Ranker data pack. Okay, so I've restored this already on one of my projects, and this is what it looks like. You have your 2 tiers, and all my other data packs, they will be in a grouping. If we open tier 1, we will see that most of the platforms has been selected, and go on tier 1, where are you? And come on, there we go. Okay, so these are all the platforms you can see that I've selected. All of them are do follow platforms. In Search Engine Ranker, there's an option here. If you right click in the platform area, uncheck engines with no follow links. So that is what I've done, and you can see articles are mostly, not mostly, they're all do follow, but things like blog comments, these are no follow, so they're unchecked, no follow, and the rest are all do follow links. Okay, so I'm going to go through every single one, but you can see here the platforms that we've used. On the data side, I've imported your URLs then over here. Your keyword file, the keywords that I've scraped for you will be imported here. Your anchor text file, if you provided one, otherwise I will just use the keyword file as anchors. If we scroll down, you will see all of the content is filled in, blog about, all the descriptions. You will see the, where is the document file. Come on, where are you? This is the document, so that's the PDF that I've added for you. We look at the PDFs again. In the summary, can give you an idea what it looks like. See, this site is about Bangkok travel. So this is what your PDF will look like that I create for you. It will have 3 links with linking to your site with random keywords. You'll have resource area and again a keyword summary. The image actually is also linked. And so this is what your PDFs will look like, the 2 that I've created for you. Let me close this. Close that. Okay, so all the data fields is completed there. If you go to Article Manager, you will see there are 50 articles here, and each of these articles are in syntax format. So basically you can say there's 50, and I would say there's at least 20 variation of each article, so that's 2000 article variations that you have to pull from. I do not add any links or images or videos in, because those are already in the data packs that I've created, and they will be added in randomly. So there's no need to add this again, otherwise we'll get with double videos and images. I do add HTML variations, not much, just a few. Basically these are just formatting, text formatting that I've added in. The same article I use not more than 10 times. That's not a problem, because one article there's at least 20 variations of that article, plus then in syntax format. So we will never have problem with duplicate content here. In the options columns, no scheduling selected here. We want this to run and run fast and non-stop. These are all the links that I've checked. I'm not going to go into every single one. Please. Oops, where's this go now? I think, sorry, 1 second. Oh God, I think I just broke it again. I'll just pause the video here and see where's. Okay, I got it back. So you can see all the fields that's filled in here. For the search engines, we selected by language all English ones. I've checked the global site list has been checked, and we use scheduled posting, allow posting on the same site again. I use basically only, I don't post to sites that have only an IP. I don't trust those sites. We selected all of them over here, and I used no adult filters, because a lot of people freak out over these sex or naughty adult words, but these can you can lose a lot of links because of these. Because let's say you selected let me just see somewhere that ass, like for instance like ass. If you select for instance the word, damn it, if you, so let's go here. Let's say you selected the word ass. So the system now will block all words that contain that. So if the word is class, brass, I can't think, but there are many words that contain, for instance, the word ass. and same with the same with many of these other words as well. Like for instance, tits, like or tit, can be titbits, and that will block that website. Well, penis, okay. But many of these words, when you add stuff to them, like could be circumvent or cumbersome, all those words that have similar. It's not going to block that precise word, it will block the broad term of that word. Okay, so for for churn and burn, I don't select these for churn and burn. Okay, if we move on to email verifications, we have our 50 emails in here, all set up and ready to go. We delete the message when the verification link was found, and delete message older than 5 days. Okay, so that's the tier 1. Tier 2 is pretty much the same. Same kind of filters. The platforms slightly different. You see in the tier 2 platforms, it's pretty much the same, except it's a few different ones. I don't use URL shortness because on the last tier URL shortness is of 0 value, because they need something to promote them, and if there's no tier below this, they will have no value because there's nothing to promote them. Same with the exploits. Exploits in the last tier is useless because they need something to promote them to the search engines. So it was a 5-tier thing, okay, then it can be used in the upper tiers but not in the 5th tier. Okay, so therefore I didn't check that. Now you see here I didn't add any links in here, but we used the verified URLs of tier 1. So tier 2 will basically promote the links that was built in tier 1. That is how a tiered linking works. And again, everything has been filled in, all the data is there. Article manager, you again have 50 articles, and these are completely different from the ones before. The options, this re-verify backlinks, you see these now are a little bit longer. The previous one was to verify, re-verify 2000, I can't remember exactly, but this is slightly longer. So because this is the last tier, we don't need, it's not really that important to re-verify the existing links for this one, so we can even set this to once a week, or if this is going to be running for a long time, once a month. Same thing down here. Okay, all of these are the same, and again 50 different emails that was added in here. Okay, well that then concludes the overview of the 2-tier churn and burn. These are set to run really fast. I'll just give you one second. I will show you one of my VPS where I have churn and burn running, and you can see here I'm running at 113 link per minute, and I'm only this is set at 300, and you can see this is the churn and burn for that one I just showed you, which was added like an hour ago. I added this one. So churn and burn is going to get you a heck of a lot of links. You can see these numbers are turning very fast here, especially on the these are the churn and burn ones that I've added, and in the last week I've got about 72,000 verified links just for 3 projects, sorry, for these other projects as well. So this gives you a good idea of how fast Churn and Burn will spit out the links for you. Okay, well basically that concludes the Churn and Burn overview. If you have any additional questions, drop me a note and I will try to answer them for you if I can. Thank you.